Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hazi is busy. Today we'll be making some Vattalappam. Now we'll add 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of egg. You can rather use 3 to 4 eggs and 3 tablespoons of ghee. And 1 tablespoon of Milkmaid and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. And now let's blend it for 2 minutes. And now let's filter it in a stainless steel bowl for steaming. Now let's add some sliced cashew nuts. And now I've prepared an idli steamer, and I'm taking the idli plate and I'm keeping it upside down. Now let's keep this mixture inside for steaming, and we have to keep it for 45 minutes. So you'll have to check it for water. And now I think it's ready. So we have to poke a knife or a toothpick into it to check if it's ready. So the knife came really good. So I'm going to transfer it into a bowl or a plate. I'm really nervous. Wow, it came out really well. And this is a really simple recipe, and we make it for Eid celebrations, and it's my grandma's recipe and I learned it from her. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.